Morning guys, August 1st, 2018. This one here I got a call for a guy I worked for in the past. He's got an old house with a well and it's got a lot of M tubing, copper tubing that's thin. And he gets a lot of leaks, you know, on the copper type of thing. He called me, he says he got another leak downstairs. Now he usually has his grandson usually try to play super plumber and fix things over there. Well, I asked him, I said, what about your grandson? Why don't he fix it? Oh, I'd rather have you do it, he said. So we'll see. His grandson tries to do some of the work around the house, which I don't blame him. I mean, the guy's an old guy. He tries to help him out. But we'll see what's going on. It's probably a leak. It says there's water down in the basement, so I got my boots on. We're going to go over there and see what's happening. It says no rush. The tide's not up too high, he said. So we'll see when we get there. You going to eat the lettuce? Are you going to eat the lettuce? I mean, the chickens would eat that. Oh, I know it. I know it. Coming right off the flipping pipe. Wow, look at that. Yeehaw!
Spraying right there, yeah.
Wow.
Right at the bottom, see it?
That's pretty.
Yeah, I think. Took the water off.
Look at that. That's bad. So we got it off right there.
But you said those will shut it off, right? The green one and the white one?
Oh yeah, the green one shuts it off, and I just gotta wait for it to stop, and I'll fix it.
Oh, that's shut off?
I just shut it off right there, ma'am. The pressure's coming in, and then that's a holding tank.
And that's the remainder of it, right?
Yeah, that's just you can't stop that. So she's a leaker. Wow, it broke right off. That's bad. All right, I'll fix it. Guys, I got another piece of copper here, L. I'm gonna put a 3/4 T with a piece, 3/4 by half, female boiler drain up to a coupling. I'll cut it there, and that joint's what's bad, and I'll try to pop that off. If I can pop that off and then replace this piece up to here, we'll be doing good. That's what I'm going to attempt to do. We'll see if I can back this off. Talk about a flood. It's a flipping flood down here, Mama. It's a flood. Paper thin. It's like paper thin, the pipe. Look at that shit. Yeehaw. Not good. It's light. Flipping crazy. Look at that. I'm gonna see if I can pop that off. That's what I'm hoping. Not easy. Not easy being cheesy, Mama. Not easy being cheesy. Let's hope that comes off of there. I don't know if you guys can even see down there. I mean, it's flipping dark. It's like the dark ages here. What they call a catch and match. flipping dungeon down here. I can't see shit. No, I can't really see that good. That thing's kind of like all corroded. I mean, I'm going to put a piece on there and hopefully it holds. This guy's going to need to redo all this piping. I mean, it's really bad. Really bad. That's what they call patch and match, mama. Really bad. I mean, not pretty. It's not pretty. It's not pretty, that's for damn sure. Try to solder it up and hope for the best. I'm coming up here to a coupling. Try to solder it. I mean, that thing's a fucking joke. I don't know. Ain't no Taj Mahal here, mama. Ain't no Taj Mahal. We'll put that bottom faucet on it and we'll see if it works. That works. What a flippin' mess, guy. I mean, this whole house is like this. The whole house, the piping's like this, really bad. Definitely not a hallmark moment. Definitely not. we'll see what happens here. Just sweating. I mean, the thing's just total shit box. Unbelievable. I mean, the pipe's really thin throughout the whole house, everywhere. All of it. All this pipe and everything is thin, thin, thin. Whew, wow. I mean, this is the type of shit you don't want to touch. Look at the pressure switches right there on the pipe. As long as it don't leak, that's all I care about. I mean, you don't believe how thin this pipe is. I mean, it's thin. Light, light, light. Unbelievable. There's a joint that was leaking right there. Oh, it's another patch. Patch and match, mama. Patch and match. Some of this pipe is L. Look at that. Ain't that a nice looking joint? I've been in here before. I think I changed this ball valve, put that on there one time, and we put another patch in there. It's a well. Not easy. Not easy being cheesy, mama. It was all old piping. Holy shit, shutting off at 90 pounds. Yeehaw. We got no leaks. That gauge probably not too accurate. Whew. Next level. Next level.